Paloma Valley students, welcome your hosts, Cassie and Megan.
Booyah! Booyah! All right. Hello and welcome back to ASB Now. I am one of two fantastic hosts, Megan Makatangay.
And I'm the second of two fantastic hosts, Cassie Madrigal. We hope you guys are having a great day and are ready to watch this amazing show we have prepared for you.
That's right, Cassie. We have a very unique show planned for you guys today, and you won't want to miss a minute of it.
First, we hope everyone who went to prom had a great time and made lots of lasting memories.
That's right. Prom was quite lit, and I had a blast.
Now that prom is over, we are looking to the future. A few weeks ago, we went to middle schools to present all the clubs around the school, including ASB.
Let's throw it out to ourselves and see how that went. Hey Wildcats, as you guys could tell, we're at a different place right now, and I'm not Josh.
And I'm not Will.
That's so crazy, but we are currently at Menifee Valley Middle School, and we're here to do like a little introduction for the middle schoolers as to what we've got going on campus. Okay, and now we're here with some of our biomedical pathway students. Why are you guys copying my style?
You're copying our style actually. We're the cool kids right now.
We're the cool kids.
Oh, okay. Well, they're liars, so we're gonna move on.
How do you guys feel being here at the middle schools today?
We feel great. Excited to get people to try and join.
Awesome. How do you feel?
It's exciting to be here.
Yeah, nice. Now let's take a look at one of our cheer captains, Charlie. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm good.
You excited to be here at the middle schools?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. You gonna get a lot of people? Yeah. Yeah, nice. All right, let's take it over to our cross country. Hi, Hoku. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Amy? You good? Good. And Leander?
I'm good.
You guys excited to be here today?
Yes, I'm pumped.
Yeah? Nice. All right, well, good luck. Thank you. All right, let's take it over to our girls soccer. How are you guys doing today?
We're good.
Amazing.
Nice. How do you feel, Maddie?
Great. I can't wait to see the middle schoolers.
Yeah. You gonna get a lot of recruitment? A lot of new people? Nice. All right, let's take it over to a different team. Oh my God, it's our swim team. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Yeah, you guys gonna get a lot of people?
Yeah. We're gonna get the whole school.
Yeah, the whole school? Yeah. You know who else needs people? ROTC. And you know what the Navy does? Swim. Yeah, there you go. See? If it's our girls lacrosse, how are you guys doing today?
Oh, we're doing good.
Good. Let's go on ASB now. So. Good. Recruiting today?
Yes, hopefully.
Yes. All right. Well, good luck. Let's take it to one of our favorite players, Abby. How are you today?
Feeling great. Super excited for Menifee Valley Middle School kids to see what we got going on.
And what sports are you representing today?
Soccer, tennis, and lacrosse, and ASB.
And ASB. You guys should join ASB, part of our ASB Now show.
And that was Menifee Valley Middle School. We'll throw it back to Josh and Will in the studio.
Well, I hope all the clubs got tons of people to join their programs.
Me too. Hopefully, ASB will be filled with all those little people we saw running around in that video.
Also, a few weeks ago, we had our open house, which was another way for Paloma to show all their clubs and programs in a super fun way.
Let's get this show back to normal and throw it out to me at the open house.
Thanks, guys. We're now here at the open house. Lots of great performances, lots of great music, lots of candy. And I'm here with the ASB president again, Giselle. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I am so good. You always ask. It's great. So have you gotten lots of students to sign up?
So far, yes. They seem a little hesitant at first, but I'm a very good convincer.
Okay.
But you should.
Well, that...
You don't know about it.
Yeah, I tried it. I almost did it last year, but...
He almost.
You didn't.
Or just look at the information.
Yes, so we plan a lot of events on campus and we find ways to help get students involved. So you should take a flyer and scan it and fill out the form and it'll basically say you're interested. And then you'll join.
Incredible. So we just got to see Giselle in action. That was great. He's thinking about it.
Yeah, he better be. I mean, ASB is so much fun.
That's great to hear. All right, we're gonna film some performances. Thank you, Giselle.
Bye-bye.
So Cassie is here, our host, and I'm just wondering, you're obviously in uniform, so you're here for ROTC first and foremost, but are you doing any tactics to try to get kids to join ASB? Maybe a little, hey, you want to join ASB, or are you all in for NJROTC?
I'll do both. I'll be like, hey, you want to try out some pull-ups pull-ups that you probably can't even do, but hey, listen, you know, ASB doesn't require a pull-up, so like you should come on and slide over a little bit. Join both.
Yeah, of course. You got to get those tactics in, all right?
Exactly.
Keep pushing for ASB. I'm just gonna.
I got you.
Now, my mission that I have made is to scout out people to find to join ASB. Coach Elliott, will you join ASB?
Yes!
That was enthusiastic. Thank you, Coach Elliott. We'll see you in class tomorrow.
Sounds perfect.
But Coach Elliott will be there.
Always, every day.
Rain or shine. Rain or shine. Jose Jimenez. Yeah. Okay, well, I am Josh, and I have one question for you. Will you join ASB?
Yes.
Yeah. We got more. Now, will you be there all the time?
Yes.
That's great. Rain or shine. Rain or shine. Now I'm here with Dr. Tomasian. Dr. Tomasian, would you like to join ASB?
Absolutely.
That is incredible. Well, they will see you in class then, I'm sure.
Yeah, let's do all the things.
That's great.
I will be there.
Rain or shine. Rain or shine. Lundy, will you join ASB?
Yeah.
Rain or shine?
What does that mean?
All the time?
Yeah.
Rain or shine?
What?
Rain or shine?
What does that mean?
It's raining or it's shining.
It's not raining or shining.
If it's raining, will you be there?
Yeah.
If it's shining, will you be there?
Yeah.
Rain or shine? Rain or shine?
Looks like tons of fun and like many people wanted to join ASB.
Exactly, Cassie. And I can just say that I am happy to be back in the studio.
Yeah, this studio is great. Now, going on right now is one of ASB's most exciting and fun events, Senior Takeout.
Senior Takeout is so much fun. Let's throw it out to our very distinguished gentlemen, Josh and Will, to see what Senior Takeout is all about.
Now, it is a beautiful, lovely, sunny, blue sky day, and I am here with our ASB president, Giselle.
Hi.
So, I just wanted to ask a few questions about Senior Takeout. Now, I have the brain of a 5-year-old, so please explain it to me like I'm a 4-year-old.
Okay, so Senior Takeout is basically a huge game of tag where you want to eliminate your person or try to be the last person standing.
Okay, that's interesting. How do you eliminate someone?
So you eliminate someone by tagging them, but it has to be 2-hand touch from either the front or the back.
Okay, hands on the shoulders?
Hands on the shoulder.
Gotcha. Now, let's say I am the last person standing. What do I get if I'm winning this?
So if you are the very last person standing, you will win either a free grad night ticket, a free prom ticket, or a free ticket to the Angels game. But we do top 3 people standing.
What, 3? You guys are gracious and giving.
Very.
That's incredible. Now, I see you have a floaty device. What is this?
This is Timmy the Toad, and he is keeping me safe today because in Senior Takeout, we have safety challenges or safety days where you can either choose to participate in it or not. And when you participate in it, you are basically safe from getting tagged. So if anyone tries tagging me today while I have this on, they cannot because this is a safety.
Okay, gotcha. And there are lots of safety challenges. Like I saw people linking arms yesterday, and there are more to come in the future. Probably silly things to come. Can you tell us what are some sneaky things?
Ooh, yeah.
If you remember any.
So my personal favorite one that I can't wait to do is blasting music around class like a freshman.
That is so good.
Your music, then you could get out, which that's like my favorite. There's also like goggles, which is funny, and just other stuff like that.
So with the music, blasting Ice Spice could quite literally save you from being eliminated.
Yes.
That's incredible.
Blasting music while you walk to class.
You're out. No! That's unfortunate. Well, I just got eliminated by a sophomore in an ROTC uniform drinking 8,000 milligrams of caffeine. Giselle, thank you for your time today. I'm glad we learned more about Senior Takeout.
Thank you.
Of course, have a great day.
Senior Takeout is going to get crazy towards the end, so make sure you're watching all the action unfold all around you.
Well, that's all we have for today. For Josh and Will, I'm Megan Makatangay.
And I'm Cassie Madrigal. We'll see you next time on ASB Now.
Bye!